22nd September 2025, the Department of Philosophy, Salesian College Autonomous Sonada, hosted the Father Joseph VERZOTTO Memorial Lecture 2025 at Kalingal Abbey Hall from 11:20 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. The program commenced with a warm introduction to the life and legacy of late Father Joseph VERZOTTO, remembered for his dedicated service as the librarian of Salesian College Sonada, by Campus Minister Father Pritam Birla. This was followed by the words of welcome delivered by Father Dr. C.J. Matthew, Vice Rector and Head of the Department of Philosophy. Campus Coordinator Ms. Shraddha Pradhan presented a traditional khada to the resource person Ms. Pamchuela Umiba, Assistant Professor, Department of Philosophy, Sonada Degree College. Vice Principal Brother Dr. Augustine Joseph offered a traditional khada on the portrait of late Father Joseph VERZOTTO as a mark of honor. Ms. Pamchuela Umiba delivered a lecture focusing on Tangkhul community. She spoke in details about their cultural and religious practices, including the burial ceremony, Onra ceremony, and Wangyang Ting ceremony, and the Kati Kasam feast, highlighting the philosophical, cultural, and religious significance of Tangkhul traditions. The lecture was followed by the presentation of brief summary and question-answer session moderated by Father Dr. C.J. Matthew, which provided the audience with an opportunity to interact with the speaker and gain further clarity. Brother Rohit Kumar Nayak proposed the word of thanks expressing gratitude to the speaker, dignitaries and the audience. The program concluded with a choir piece performed by the Salesian brothers, which added a soulful touch to the event.